Hey everybody, and welcome back to Grandma's Corner, where you have been watching all kinds of my videos and learning all kinds of things, and I so very much appreciate all of your audience and your subscribing and your loyalty to my shows. So today we are going to learn how to play, get ready, Tic Tac Toe. It is the easiest game and so much fun, and you know what? It is easy to make a board and make pieces as well. So I'm going to show you a couple of ideas. First of all, I went ahead and I made this board right here because with Tic Tac Toe, like the one that I've already had, has 9 pegs or 9 spaces, and then you need to have markers of some sort. So this one right here that one of my kids made years and years ago, isn't that the coolest thing? They went ahead and they made round discs and they made crosses. So it's all about X's and O's. X's and O's, you know, hugs and kisses, X's and O's. And this is what they did when they made this. I can't remember who made this. It was probably one of my boys. And we have used it all these years, and I just love it. Isn't that the coolest thing ever? So if you notice, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 X's, and 1, 2, 3, 4, oops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 X's, and 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. But here's what I would recommend. If you are going to make your own tic-tac-toe board, I would even them up, and I would have 5 X's and 5 O's, because when you have 5 X's and only 4 O's, then that means X has to always start first. All right, this is the other board that I wanted to show you. You know how I love to reduce, reuse, recycle, repurpose? Well, I found some cardboard, just cheap old cardboard from a box, and I decided, what can I do with that? Well, I can make a tic-tac-toe board, and I did. All you need to have are 9 spaces that are evenly spaced out and come up with markers. Well, I made some markers out of more scrap. I made my X's, and I made 5 of them, and I made my O's, and I made 5 of them. So this time, when you play with 5 and 5, it doesn't matter who starts, X's or O's. You can also get things around the house. Like I found these shapes that I've been collecting. Here are some squares and here's some rhombuses. And as long as you have 5 of one color and 5 of another color, you are good to go. All right, let's get going on this game. I love tic-tac-toe. Easy game, especially for young kids to learn as well. So let's use the one that has the pegs. Let's say I'm going to start and I'm going to be the X's. You're going to be the O's. I have to decide now, where do I want to put my first piece to maximize the possibility of winning and getting 3 in a row? Well, there is some strategy to this, believe it or not. All right, let's try a couple of choices. All right, let's start in the middle. If I go in the middle, you're going to say, well, I've got something around the outside that I've got to choose. So, all right, how about if I go on an end? Now, I'm thinking, how am I going to get 3 in a row? Well, I got blocked here, so maybe what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to this corner, and I'm going to see if maybe my opponent, being you, doesn't see where I have 2 in a row already. But, oh, heck no, you're too smart. Look at that, 1, 2, there's a block right there. Wow, so that foiled my plans. Now what am I going to do? Well, if I go right here, then maybe you won't notice that you can block me there. But the other thing is, do you want to block me or do you want to win? Well, remember, it's all about tic-tac-toe, 3 in a row. 1, 2, 3. There you go, folks. You just won. So that was one strategy with me starting in the middle. All right, now let's say you're the X's now. And instead of starting in the middle, maybe your strategy is going to be started on one of the corners. All right, smarty pants. Let's see what I'm going to do now. If I am O's, I'm going to put mine right there. That way you can't go this way. You only have two choices. You either go to the side or you go diagonally. Well, you're a pretty smart cookie, so you're going to take your X now, and you are going to go right in the middle. Oh, danger, danger, Will Robinson. What am I going to do? Oh, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to put my O down there to block this 3 in a row. Oh, can't fool me, folks. All right, what are you going to do now? Well, you're going to have to think about this one. What's your best option? Well, how about if you go up here? What would that do for you? Well, I see that if I don't protect myself by putting an O there, you're going to win again. So I've now blocked you. And you said, drats. All right, let's see what you're going to do now. Oh, you know what? I wasn't even really paying attention, because now look at what you're going to do. Oh, tic-tac-toe, 3 in a row. You won again. Wow, you're really good at this game. All right, one more strategy. All right, I'm X's again. So the first time we started in the middle and we had lots of options, and then we started in a corner. How about if we start in the middle of a side? What is that going to do for us? Well, let's find out. All right, I did my X. Come on, O's, what are you going to do? Well, maybe you're going to go for the corner and you're going to see what happens there. Okay, well, I'm going to think. How about if I I'm going to put my X down there. Potentially, I have 3 in a row coming up. Are you going to notice? Well, drats, yeah, you're going to notice. So you're going to block me. Oh, man. What am I going to do next? Well, I know what I'm going to do next. There's no way I'm going to let you win again. So I'm going to block you right in the middle. You don't get to win again. Wow, what are you going to do now? Well, obviously, I can't fool you, so you're going to put your O right there. But I had a plan up my sleeve, folks. Guess what? Woohoo! I finally won! Tic-tac-toe, 3 in a row. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and think about some of the materials you have at home that you might be able to build your own tic-tac-toe board and make your own tic-tac-toe pieces. This happens to be out of wood, which might be a little above your pay grade, but that's okay. Go ahead and do something along the lines of cardboard. Why not? You could probably even make a tic-tac-toe on a piece of paper. Be creative and think about all the options that you have. All right, tic-tac-toe, folks. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. And I hope you learned how to strategize a little bit. I sure did. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye-bye.